Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
If only using Alipay on my phone were this effortless. With independent online music plus more than 70 apps and mini games, the Xiaomi Watch 5 gets a big upgrade this year. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Let's open the box and take a look. The misty blue strap feels fresh and clean at first glance. It doesn't feel heavy in the hand, but we'll check the exact weight later. Inside the box, we first have the charging accessories, and it uses a dual magnetic contact design. Once the protective film comes off, you can immediately feel how premium the front surface is. Take a closer look at the edges. Instead of a curved design, it uses a roughly 45-degree bevel, which gives the whole dial a strong, solid look. From this angle, you can clearly see how the beveled edges of the screen and the watch body connect seamlessly. The same angled design continues along the sides, and you can really feel how large this dial is. That's because it's a 47mm dial, slightly bigger than the common 46mm size. Even so, thanks to the clean and simple design, it still looks very much like a classic traditional watch. The sapphire crystal display doesn't feel like a marketing gimmick. Visually, the texture is noticeably different from standard glass, giving it a more refined appearance. The sides feature a brushed finish, adding to the premium feel. The crown on the side can both rotate and be pressed, and there's also a function button below it. On the back, you'll find the health sensors along with the magnetic charging contacts. In terms of style, it's easy to pair with different outfits, whether you're dressed casually or wearing something more rugged. Despite the large 47mm dial, the watch weighs only 65 grams, which makes it surprisingly light. Xiaomi also includes an optional titanium alloy strap made with 3D printing. If you enjoy the feel of metal on your wrist, this is worth checking out. After unboxing the titanium strap, its lightness and durability really stand out. Compared to older stainless steel straps, this one is much lighter and can be installed or removed with a single click, giving it a futuristic vibe. The total weight with this strap is just 96 grams, so it feels effortless to wear. It uses a magnetic clasp system, and this is how it looks once it's on the wrist. Now let's talk about daily use. The watch features 2 physical buttons. Pressing the crown opens the app list, while the function button brings up the control center. The button feedback feels just right, and the interface animations are extremely smooth. Rotating the crown gives you a gentle yet precise vibration response. Both the control center and notification panel have a frosted glass effect that looks very polished. Swiping through widgets is fluid, and a quick swipe to the right instantly switches watch faces. With Surge OS 3.0, the overall experience feels fast, refined, and truly premium. This is a fully independent smartwatch, meaning it can make calls on its own and even chat on WeChat without needing a phone. Taking a quick look at its communication features, you can send and receive voice messages normally. When someone sends you a photo, you'll see a small preview that gives you a general idea of the image. Videos can't be played directly, but emojis are supported, and there are several preset quick replies at the bottom. Most communication is voice-based, similar to using a walkie-talkie, which is simple and practical. One of the most impressive features is its independent Alipay support. It handles payment codes, tap-to-pay, ride codes, ride discounts, and even energy rewards. Honestly, if only Alipay on a phone were this straightforward. On top of that, the watch supports independent navigation, standalone online music, and access to over 70 apps and mini games. Thanks to the large display, it easily covers daily commuting needs and works well even when you leave your phone behind for a while. The Xiaomi Watch 5 also introduces a wide range of gesture controls. You can double squeeze to answer calls, double rub to hang up, and control music playback like play, pause, or skipping tracks, all with one hand. And it doesn't stop there. Gestures such as finger snapping, wrist shaking, and wrist flipping can all be customized, pushing gesture control to another level. For health tracking, this year's model adds ECG functionality. The testing process is quick and convenient, and once it's done, the Xiaomi Health app provides professional analysis and suggestions to help you understand the results early. There are also customized features designed for specific sports scenarios. All things considered, the Xiaomi Watch 5 truly earns its reputation as a fully intelligent, all-around smartwatch. If carrying your phone everywhere feels like a hassle, this watch does an excellent job of solving that problem in a simple and powerful way.